All right, guys, please try this next question based on functions and graph, and you can then resume to look at the solution. Okay, so basically, if you consider mod x plus mod y equal to 2, guys, we can construct this diagram in the four quadrants, okay, somewhat like this or in the following manner. So this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. If you consider the first quadrant, guys, in the first quadrant, x and y, both the terms are positive. So mod x will be equal to x and mod y will be equal to y. The equation will be x plus y is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 2 is a straight line having x and y intercepts both equal to 2. So it will be something like this, right, guys? Now, in the second quadrant, okay, we know that x is negative and y will be positive. So mod of x will be minus x and mod of y will be y only. So we will have minus x plus y is 2. Now this equation has x-intercept minus 2 and y-intercept plus 2. So if you draw the line, it will be something like this. Okay, in the third quadrant, both x and y will be negative, right? And in the fourth quadrant, we observe that we have x is positive and y is negative. So this is how your graph would look like. Okay, kind of the graph resembles a square. Okay, so the question is how to find out the area of this region. So one way is you find out the side of the square here. Okay, and you take the square of the side, you get the area. So this length is 2 and this length is 2. Okay, we can find out the value of this side, let's say x, or we can find the value of x square. Directly we get the area. Now by Pythagoras theorem, x square will be equal to 2 square plus 2 square, that's equal to 4 plus 4, that's equal to 8, right? So side square is equal to 8, and that's the answer to your question. The area of the region is 8. Okay, guys, another general approach you can use in these questions now is if you have mod x plus mod y is equal to, let's say, a, guys, we can observe that in all the four quadrants, we will have triangles, right? Actually, isosceles triangles having perpendicular sides, a units each. So area of one such triangle will be half into base into height. Like that, we have four such triangles. So area will be 4 into this value. Now we have a quick shortcut for all these questions. So if you have mod x plus mod y is equal to 2, the area which you require will be 2 into 2 square. That's 2 4s are 8. Option C. And that's exactly how I personally solved the question in the exam, 2a square. I could like probably get the answer in 3 to 4 seconds. That's all. The answer is option C.